Today in the online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the method of posting or say the procedure of posting from journal to ledger. Means in ledger how the posting is done with the help of journal entries. In order to explain it, let us take an illustration. In this illustration, I have taken one transaction on 1st April 2020. Y commenced business with cash rupees 2 lakh. Commence means started. Okay. So here a business is being started by Y and he employed capital of rupees 2 lakh. Whatever amount is invested or whatever investment is made by the owner within the business is known as capital. Okay. So here Y employed how much capital? Rupees 2 lakh. So on the basis of this transaction, let us pass the journal entry first. Let us generalize this transaction. This is the format of journal. Books of Y Limited Journal. Date particulars LF. LF means ledger folio. Amount debit credit. More I am clarifying this. Ledger folio, the extension of LF. Folio already I told you means the page number. ठीक है, right? I am writing here ledger folio. Folio means the page number. Page number of what? Ledger. Means after the preparation of these journal entries will further be posted in the ledger account, and in ledger account where these entries are posted, okay, the page number of that posting is known as ledger folio. Here we need to write the page number where these journal entries will be posted in the ledger accounts. Okay. Now, business being started by Y. As a result, within the business, two things are increasing. First is cash and second is capital. And in accordance with the rule of debit and credit, whenever cash being an asset increases is to be shown on the debit side, and whenever capital increases is to be shown on the credit side. And so we have done. ठीक है. cash account debit to capital. The prefix to is indicating that this capital is on the credit side. Thus, the amount of capital is to be written on the credit side of the amount column, and the cash account means the cash amount is to be shown on the debit side of the amount column. Okay, here I have written the narration. Narration means the explanation whatever we have done in this journal entry. What we have done in the journal entry: commenced business with cash. Okay, here through the journal entry it has been indicated that business with cash rupees 2 lakh is commenced or started. Now on the basis of this journal entry we are going to prepare ledger account. Whatever number of accounts you see in the journal entry, that number of accounts is to be prepared. Okay, here two accounts you can are visible, cash account and the capital account. So two ledger accounts are needed to be prepared. First ledger account will be cash account and second ledger account will be capital account. Already I told you what is the meaning of ledger. Ledger means the collection of information related to a particular account at one place, right? See cash account. This is the ledger of cash account, right? Now again see the journal entry. Cash is on the debit side. Cash within the journal entry format is appearing on the debit side. So when the posting will be made in the ledger account of cash, then the posting is to be made on which side? Debit side, because cash is appearing on the debit side within the journal entry format. So on the debit side of the cash account, see this is the debit side, right? You have to do the posting, and the posting is to be made with the name of the account representing cash account on the opposite side. Means if we are preparing the ledger account of any account appearing on the debit side, then in that concerned account on the debit side you have to do the posting, but posting will be made by the name of that account which is on its opposite side. Opposite side means the credit side. On the credit side you can see capital is written, so we will be writing here capital 2 lakh. Amount, whatever amount is written in front of the concerned account, that amount will be filled or posted on the debit side of the account. Now no other posting is to be made in the cash account, but if we post 2 lakh on the debit side, then on credit side no amount can be seen, but we need to balance both the sides of the ledger account. because the debit side total should be equal to the credit side total. Okay. And in order to balance both the sides of the ledger account, we have to subtract both the sides. Amounts. On the debit side, 2 lakh is appearing, but on the credit side, we posted nothing, and because of which nil amount is present on the credit side. Nil means no amount is present on the credit side, because of which debit side total will be 2 lakh and the credit side total will be 0. But we need to balance the debit and the credit side totals. Right, in order to balance, we need to just subtract debit side total 2 lakh from the credit side total 0. We will get how much? 2 lakh rupees, and will be written as by balance carried on. Okay. This balancing is just like a balancing machine known as taraju in the Hindi language. Okay. On one side, weight is placed 1 kg, 2 kg, weight is placed, and on the other side, the things are placed, maybe vegetable, maybe rice, maybe soup. If 1 kg weight is placed on one side, then we need to just put 1 kg of the thing which we want to purchase. Okay. See, this is the weight machine. Okay. On one side, we are placing the weight of 1 kg. 1 kg. Now on the other side, we need to put the thing which we want to purchase of the same weight. Suppose you want to just purchase the potatoes, then we need to just put here the potatoes. Okay. If the weight of potatoes is less than 1 kg, suppose 900 gram of potatoes are here, and here 1 kg weight is placed, what will happen? This side will go up. Okay. Right. In order to bring this side down, we need to place 100 gram of potatoes. Okay. Right. Similar treatment is being done here. Okay. Right. 2 lakh rupees were here. Here no amount was present. So in order to balance both the sides, what we did, we have put 2 lakh rupees here, right? How much balance is put here? 2 lakh rupees. It will be posted in the particular column by the name by balance carried down. Okay, right? April 30. Balance carried down date will be the last date of the same month. Okay, that is April 30. And the same balance carried down will be brought down on the opposite side. And the date of balance brought down will be the very first day of the next month. Okay, after April 30, what will be the next month first day? May 1. Okay, right? In the similar way, we need to prepare the capital account. See the ledger of capital account. Here capital is appearing on the credit side, so we will be posting the account representing capital on the debit side. Okay, cash. This cash will be written on which side? On the credit side of the capital account. See, buy cash 2 lakh. Similarly, no amount was present here. Again the same treatment as we did in the cash account. We will put here 2 lakh rupees in order to balance both the sides. Okay, so this 2 lakh rupees balance is carried from here. ठीक है, to balance carried down. ठीक है, carried from here on the debit side, and the date of balance carried down will be the last day of the same month. April, this is April 1, last day will be April 30. And further we have to just brought down the balance on the opposite side on the very first day of the next month, May 1st. Okay, and one more thing you keep in mind, you have to draw 2 lines below the amount. Okay, and above the amount, wherever you are totaling or balancing, only one line will be drawn. Below the balance, below the total amount, 2 lines are to be drawn, and above the total amount, only one line is needed to be drawn. Okay.